Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Who doesn't like a Costco hot dog? I know every time that I go to Costco, I have to stop at the food court and I have to pick me up a hot dog. Those hot dogs are fabulous and probably not too many people don't like them. I love them, gotta have them every time I go. But all you can put on there is ketchup, mustard, and relish. Well, today we're gonna amp it up. I have bought some Costco hot dogs. We're going to cook these suckers up and we're going to raise it up to the next level. Let's get going. Okay, the ingredients we will be using today is I have some artisanal, if that's how you pronounce it, sausage rolls. We have mustard, ketchup, sweet peppers, celery salt, chili with no beans, sweet relish. We have Colby Jack cheese for her, American cheese for me. We have cut up onions, cut up tomatoes, and here's the relish and peppers already in the dishes. And we have our hot dogs. Also, I've cut up the onion and the tomato with my new Amarku vegetable knife. These knives are a good alternative to Dalstrong knives. Dalstrong knives, as you know, can be very expensive. These knives are about half the price and they are just as sharp and just as good. I have links to all the knives that I use down in the description, so check them out. You won't be disappointed. Alright, let's get this pan heated up so we can get these hot dogs cooking. I'll come back when the pan is nice and hot and ready to cook. Alright, the pan's all heated up. Let's get these dogs on. And for anybody that says those knives aren't sharp and I cut my fingers on them regularly, they're lying to you, because look at that. Brand new knife, first use, cut my finger. They are sharp. Alright, we're going to get some color on these dogs. I will split my girlfriend's in half because she likes her split down the middle and then flipped over and cooked. And then when we get to that point, I will bring it back. Alright, we're starting to get some color on them. Got to go a little bit longer. Got to try to get a few of the sides here. But they won't take long to cook. Bring it back in a little bit. Okay, while the hot dogs are finishing cooking, let's get this chili started and get this heated up. And there we go. I always like it with no beans. Alright, we'll let that warm up. Alright, we're getting there. Yeah, that chili's heating up pretty nice. These are going to be some fabulous monster chili cheese dogs with all the fixings. Okay, now we're going to split her hot dog in half. Spread this open a little bit, and we're going to flip it over. And this is how she likes hers cooked. Alright, I turned our chili off. Our chili is done. Now we just got to wait for the dogs to get done. Look at the amazing color on those dogs. Don't those look absolutely freaking delicious? All right, let's see if this is cooked good enough for her and the way she likes it. Oh yeah, perfect. She loves it this way. All right, let her make her dog, and then I will come back and plate up my 2 hot dogs and show you what it's all about. These monster chili cheese dogs are going to be awesome. I cannot wait. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. All right, it's time to build these fabulous chili cheese dogs. First, we're going to put down a layer of cheese. Then we're going to put down just a touch of chili for now. All right, now for the dogs. All right, now for some ketchup. And now some mustard. Now we're going to put some tomato. And we're going to put some more cheese. And now for some more chili. And we're going to put some relish on here. And some onion. And finally some sweet peppers. And one more thing I almost forgot. Celery salt. You gotta have celery salt on it. right, let's go in for the taste test. This is going to be very messy. Warning. Here we go. Now this is the way Costco hot dogs should be eaten. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that thing. All right, here we go. Cannot believe how good this tastes. Two layers of cheese, 2 layers of chili, and everything to go on top makes this Costco hot dog frickin' effing delicious. You gotta try this sometime. If you like Costco hot dogs, buy you a pack and do it up the way you like it. There ain't no other way to do it. As always, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would really love to have you around for a little while. And I will catch everybody on the next one. Take care, everybody.